Welcome to this new video on BUSDmachine where you can earn 4% daily return by staking and 2% daily return by minting. I will walk through this crypto project and let you know if you should invest in this project or not, so hang tight till the end for my professional rating. So today, I will cover what is BUSDmachine? Should you invest in it? My professional rating. So now I will go over what is BUSDmachine and how does it work. Their website is called tokenminer.online/BUSDmachine. The value of BUSDmachine will rise as more users invest BUSD. Enter BUSD into the machine and earn daily staking rewards in BUSDmachine tokens, 2% per day. You can claim your BUSDmachine rewards at any time. You cannot unstake your BUSD tokens. You will earn BUSDmachine tokens as a percentage of BUSD invested irrespective of the BUSDmachine price. If you invest 100 BUSD, you will receive 2 BUSDmachine per day. You have two options with your BUSDmachine tokens. You can sell them for BUSD, or you can stake them to earn more BUSDmachine tokens, 4% per day. BUSDmachine staking is locked for 7 days. And yes, remember to always do your own research before investing, because those crypto projects could be great opportunities to make money, but you're taking a big risk. So here's how it works. You can mint BUSDmachine by staking BUSD. But you need to keep in mind that you absolutely can't unstake your BUSD. You will never be able to get your BUSD back, but you will earn BUSDmachine tokens at 2% daily return per day, which is really great. So if you want to do that, you can approve your BUSD here and claim your BUSDmachine tokens on the claim button, of course. Then you can stake your BUSDmachine tokens to earn BUSDmachine tokens at 4% daily return. This farm is amazing, right? But just keep in mind that you can only unstake the BUSDmachine tokens after 7 days. So if you want to stake, just enter the amount here to get started. Then you can harvest your rewards here. Then here's the only way to sell your BUSDmachine, I believe. You cannot actually sell your BUSD on PancakeSwap. Only 40,000 tokens can be sold per day, so you can sell your earned tokens for BUSD through here. The price of BUSDmachine, which is by the way not tradable on the market, is $2.4. There are already more than 7,900 invested users in this. That's huge. Yes, this farm has been out for quite some time. I was working on other videos, and the total supply is 1 million tokens. We can learn more on their white paper. The BUSDmachine project aims to create long-term sustainable payouts for all investors. BUSDmachine is run by DeFi ecosystem. You can speak with the community and the team on their Telegram. So a few things to keep in mind, which makes investing in this project a very high-risk play. They are not audited and not KYC. You can see their code, but any hacker could hack them since no audit was done, and they are not KYC, so if they want to, they can run with your money with no consequences. You do what you want with this information. And between all their team members, they have successfully launched over 25 projects in this space. That's insane. On their website, tokenminer.online, you can see all the projects by DeFi ecosystem. They have many interesting projects where you can earn from 3 to 7% per day on all these different coins. Here on Twitter, we can see that they have a good following with over 3,000 followers, and on Telegram too with over 3,000 members. There are over 2,200 holders of the BUSDmachine tokens. Almost all of the tokens are in the contract address, which is good. But out of the 3.3% of the tokens that are not in the contract address, an individual owns more than 1.1% of the tokens. It's clearly a whale and a developer from the team, so just be cautious. I know that many people are making money with BUSDmachine, but there's still a lot of risk. But if you can afford to take some risk, then this farm could be for you. So their token is not actually tradable, so this is why the chart is looking weird. To be able to get BUSDmachine tokens, you need to mint on their website, and to sell your tokens, you need to do it on their website too. So here we can see that the market cap is at $1.6 million and the liquidity is only $17. So $17, you see that you normally just stay away from the project, but since this token is not tradable, as I've said, this doesn't matter for this token. So I've found that this project can only be rated on a scale of 1 to 6, including here the audit, KYC, the community, the uniqueness of the project, the whales, and the domain name. So here's my final rating, 2.5 out of 6. This is not enough to be considered a good project to invest in, but this rating only means that you're taking a lot of risks. It does not mean that you can't make money with this, because you can. It's not KYC and not audited, so it's a dangerous place to put your money in. But if you invest money you can afford to lose, then this farm could be interesting for you. This video is not financial advice. You do what you want with your money, but please do your own research before investing. If this video was helpful, make sure to drop a like below. If you don't want to miss any new videos, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. I share new in-depth crypto project reviews every day. Thanks for watching and for your kind support. See you in the next one.